Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 12th of December. And first of all, national news. Supreme Court uphold abrogation of Article 370, said move was part of 70-year-old exercise to integrate Jammu and Kashmir to the Union. India to take quantum jump during current period. Prime Minister Modi. Parliament briefed by Centre on Rainwater Conservation Action Plan. BJP leader Mohan Yadav named new Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh. Trinamool Congress leader Mahua Moitre moved Supreme Court challenging her expulsion from Lok Sabha. Resounding declaration of hope, PM Narendra Modi hailed Supreme Court verdict upholding abrogation of Article 370. ISRO chief Somnath met chess prodigy Pragnananda at his house in Chennai. Now, international news. US called on Beijing to stop dangerous conduct in South China Sea. UN agency warned of Afghans dying in harsh winter if there's no proper shelter after leaving Pakistan. US fighter 16 jet crashed in South Korea, pilot rescued after ejecting. Former President Donald Trump said he'll not testify in New York fraud trial. Sudan's generals agreed to meet in efforts to end their devastating war, a regional bloc said. Israel's Netanyahu called on Hamas militants to surrender now. Now, some sports news. D. Gukesh Arjun Erigasi to lead Indian challenge in Chennai GM Chess Championship. India to start 2024 Under 19 Men's World Cup campaign against Bangladesh. ICC announced schedule. Bangladesh Spain sensation Nahida Akhtar bags Women's Player of Month for November. Travis Head won ICC Men's Player of Month award for November 2023. ICC to press start button on stop clock trials from West Indies versus England T20 International Series. Ashwini Ponappa, Tanisha Crasto entered top 25 with third career women's doubles title on at Guwahati Masters Badminton. Business related news. Sensex scaled 70,000 peak Nifty closed just shy of 21,000 on gains in metal IT share. Government extended export ban on de-oiled rice brand till March 2024. Retail inflation is stable now, asserts Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. SpiceJet to soon list shares on National Stock Exchange. Infosys appointed Jayesh Sangrajka as Chief Financial Officer, Nilanjan Roy to step down. RBI issued warning against unauthorized loan waiver campaigns. And that's all in news. Thank you.